Okay, today we will discuss about Code Composer Studio and how to write the program in CCS 10 in Linux environment and how to bond this particular hex file to TIVA series board ARM based microcontroller. And there are a few steps we need to follow and that I'm going to show you one by one. So first open this particular Code Composer Studio main window and then Project Explorer. So now go to the project, click on new CCS project. It will open up this particular kind of window and there you can use a filter. So basically my series is TIVA TM4 C123 GH6 PM. The same part number you can see on this TIVA series microcontroller, and the connection is basically Stellaris in circuit debug interface. Okay, this you have to select for TIVA this board C123 board, and let's say the name of the project is GPIO1 first GPIO experiment. Set it to be default in my location, default locations, compiler version. It automatically selects and then finish MTC project. So here is a main file. So what I'm going to do to save the time, I'm going to copy this particular file, paste it here, and now save. Okay, so here we can see we have our main function, which is that, and now basically we have to do few things. We have to add a few things to this particular project. Click on this project, click on right click on that project, go to the properties, and in the property you have to just include option, and in the include option you just have to need to include this file absolute path, and the file it has been shared by Texas Instrument third-party agencies, those who are taking care of this academic program for Texas Instrument in India, 8-gate technologies. So documents 8-gate support. So this is the file they have provided me. There are a lot many things are there. You have to just include all the header files and source codes. So go and add these things, apply and close. Again we have to just add one more file, import. So basically add files. What I have to do, just go to the documents, 8-gate technology, TIVA, drivers, CCS, debug. So driver lib.lib, this file you have to add. So copy this file and link to file. So what the difference is between these two? If we just click on copy this file, that means the lib file going to copy within this particular project folder. So the advantage is that we can, if we edit that library files, it is going to affect within this particular project only, now if we just link it and if we edit that particular library file, that's going to permanently take effect for all other program as well, those who are also linked with that. So it's better to copy it so that it is completely dedicatedly used for these particular projects. Okay, all these are done. Now we have to just click on this build debug for project GPIO_1. Click on this. So up till this point you need not to connect the board. Now you can just go and connect. You could have connect that as also, but now I'm just going to connect it, and now go to this button, debug as Code Composer Studio session. Okay, now click on that. It will burn the code to this particular board, and that's it. now you have to start this particular button from here to run execute the code after downloading on the board. Now you can also run this particular code on the board just by pressing the reset switch which is present on the board. Otherwise you can control start from this button as well. So I'm clicking that, so it's showing that a GPIO port is toggling, and it's basically showing white lights because 0 is that value. Okay, that's it. That is a differentiation we will discuss about. So that is the process, how to run a CCS code, how to develop a CCS code, how to compile, build, and finally run the TIVA series board. Okay, that's it.